Honestly, I do probably more cheeks, but I do a lot of lips as well. And we're starting to get a lot more jawline. So contouring of the face to work on getting that structured look that everybody wants. My favorite to use is Radiesse, but some people get a little scared with Radiesse because it's not something that you can dissolve. And they're like, what if I don't like the results? But I think it gives you a really nice look. It looks like a structured bone jawline. But you can also use Voluma, Define sometimes, Lift for the cheeks. So there's different products that you can use that can be dissolved if you're nervous about it, or my favorite is Radiesse because you really get that structured look that people are trying to achieve. Of course, Botox is most requested because everybody wants to get rid of wrinkles on their face. So, oh yeah, crow's feet. A lot of people underestimate using Botox on the crow's feet and they only focus on the glabella and frontalis, but a crow's feet can really eliminate some of those fine lines around your eyes that we try to fight with eye cream, and Botox can help with that a lot. The Botox is going to help so the muscle doesn't move, so you can get rid of those deeper wrinkles, and then the eye cream keeps it all nice and soft and younger looking and hydrated, so that looks always younger.
After 2 weeks, this will be frozen. You won't be able to scrunch. See how I can't scrunch? Can't do the angry?
That looks perfect.
But when I do this, like, I don't know, do I have movement?
Yes.
My ears are moving. I feel like only my ears.
Tali, you look like a Robin Williams, remember the series?
So this is probably the most frozen I've been in my forehead, because usually I never freeze so much, but we were trying the new product and I'm like, okay, she put so many units. I'm like, I need a lot of units in my forehead because it's never frozen. So, but you know, I'm also, you know, I don't have too much hooding on my lids. I have kind of, you know, if you have bigger eyes and you don't have too much, your eyes don't feel low naturally, then you can freeze your forehead. But if your eyes naturally feel low, then you don't want to freeze your forehead because you want your brows to lift.
Coolsculpting is a non-invasive fat reduction treatment. What it does is it freezes the fat cells, and then your body's natural processes remove the fat cells later on gradually. Typically, patients during the treatment, they do feel a very cold sensation. It's not uncomfortable though. Eventually, the area will just feel numb and it won't be bothering them or anything. We're probably going to have one cycle here and another cycle above, and then eventually it should start to show her abs.
I do like threads. Threads can be good for a lot of different people. It depends on the result that you're wanting to achieve with threads. It's a little bit more of a painful procedure than a filler, and it does have a downtime, so you need to have time where you're not going to be overly expressive, especially if you're trying to move from the submental area or work on the neck, improve your laxity of the skin there. It's beneficial for most people. I actually have some threads in my face as well. When people think of threads, they only think of the lifting threads, but you can also get threads in like the tear trough and the nasolabial fold that help produce collagen, so you don't have to put as much filler in your face, and you can put the threads that help build the collagen and soften those lines as well.